Round two. I got the grill completely cut out. And I use a Dremel. Not even a Dremel, it's called a wind rotary tool. I probably should have did a video on this thing here, because it's the shit. Comes with this cable for you to be able to maneuver. You know, get up in them tight corners. That's what I use to cut it out. The bumper is plastic, so I mean it really don't take too much to get it cut out. This is pretty much what I used to get that result. I'm still trying to make it a little cleaner on the edges. I'll be back with round three. Grill installed.